Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the final look that we are going to be doing for Green Week, which was inspired by one of my best friends, and the Green Week was to represent St. Patrick's, which we celebrate here in Montserrat. Next week is festival time and I am just amped. I am just ready. So this is the last one of my series for my St. Patrick's Green Week series. So these, I've just put some glitters. I hope you guys can see that. I mean, when I take my pictures, it'll be in a lower lighting, so you'll definitely see it then. But I've just applied some glitters, half cut crease going on here, some neon pigments in, and I've smoked it out with the green at the bottom, and some black lips. Just make sure you stay tuned because I will run through the steps with you as to how I achieve this look. And always remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and come back. Okay?
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Right guys, so as normal, we are going to start off with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate that over here. As you can see, my brows are completed. I went in with my Technic brow pencil in black, and also the Laval twist up pencil, waterproof brow pencil in brown. And I also went in with the Revolution Conceal and Define C0. I actually went ahead and did this, thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So that's what's going on here. I did clean up my brows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in Toffee as normal. I am also running out of that, so I'm kind of just hoping that my Revolution C13 just is delivered like soon, because if not, then we will die. Okay, pretty much, because we can't get this shit on the island. Right, so just to let you know what we are doing with the eyes, we are going to jump into the Revolution Soph X palette, and we are going to go in with this orange right here and the black right here. After we've done those two, we are going to cut our crease, and then we are going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we are going to go in with this green color right here. After we've done that, we will be going in with our glitters from eBay, and then we'll go in with our black shadow, put on our lashes. I went in with the Myo Pigment stack, this green right here, and that I literally put in my waterline, but I might smoke it out a bit with some green, but who knows, because I haven't done my base. And this going on right here, this is hella messy, so we cannot do our base before we do our eyes. So I'm just gonna go over and start this one. Okay. Right guys, so we are nearly done with the eyes. The only thing I'm going to do is smoke out the bottom bit with green, but in order for me to do this, I need to put my base on and my setting powder. So I am just going to dash offline and do that, and then I'll be back. So see you guys in a second. Right, so at the moment, I've just got my setting powder in place. I am just going to go in and just smoke out the bottom of my eyes. Right, you guys, so I'm just gonna go and finish up my face by putting on my my blush and my highlight, and then I'm doing my setting spray and putting my lips on. I'm just gonna go in with a black lipstick from MUA. This is Raven, and yeah, I'll be back fully dressed and ready in a second. Just give me 1 second. I'll be like, and that's it guys. Okay, so just give me a second. Right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys like it. I'm just gonna come in a bit so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so it's a glitter half cut crease sort of thing going on. I don't really know how to explain it. I see lots of people doing this and just thought, let me just do it with some glitters. I mean, why not? So this is the last one of our series, and I might just take a break next week, so you guys might see me, you guys might not see me, because my face is kind of breaking out a bit, like you can see here and here. So I'm just gonna rest the makeup. I'm just gonna put down the makeup for like a week. It's festival. I will be putting on makeup to go out, so I may do get ready with me, but for me just to come home and film a look or a series, I don't think I'll do that next week or even the week after, because the week after is my birthday and I may also be traveling, so I will not be posting as often as I do for 2 weeks. I'm just kind of letting you guys know, so I might post like 1 video a week, who knows.